Imagine a tennis match where every line call is backed by visual data. Players can focus solely on their play. No more no-call discussions. No more unintentional stress. Contentious confrontations between coaches, players, and officials are a bygone memory. Well, this is the vision of tennis at the All England Club. The home of Wimbledon is introducing line judging technology in a radical departure from how spectators experience tennis. This advanced system, utilizing high-speed cameras and artificial intelligence, ensures that every call is precise. It promises a reduction in human errors that promote fairness in the match. While some purists may miss the traditional human element, the benefits seem undeniable. Players can challenge calls with confidence, knowing that the technology is reliable. This innovation speeds up match play and aspires to elevate the overall fan viewing experience. By embracing this tech, Wimbledon is entering a new tennis era that believes accuracy reigns supreme and the spirit of competition will thrive.